Started. Listen to that beautiful sound. Here we go. Yep, we're back. Happy, sunny. Look at that sky. That is absolutely beautiful. And that's where we're going. So let's get cracking. Let's get out of his way. Let's get out of his way. Cancel you. Morning, Portland. Same to you, mate. I'll cancel if you don't want. What a lovely house. Does or not? No.
I don't want to go.
Oh, I mean, look inside, that's going to be kitchen.
I don't want to be on.
You don't want to be on? You see what I'm up against, folks? You think he's not bored working in construction? You must be joking. I encourage everybody to be a tradesman. Right, up we go. And... yeah. Yeah. So... I want to get myself a gimbal. So, as you can see, I started yesterday. A couple of rows on. They're a big tile, 900 by 300. That's 3 foot by a foot. Metric. You know, 350p. So that's it. Let's get cracking again. I would have rather be out there. In the sunshine. Well, for now, I'm just going to have to crack on. See ya. Shaky footage time again, guys. And we've got, what time are we on, Charlie?
9:26.
9:26, so I've been here an hour and a half, guys. Oh, by the way, this is Charlie Birchall.
How's it going?
Yeah, good man, yeah. You see construction, you should get into it. What do you say, Charlie? Having a good time or what?
Oh,
yeah, good lad. Wait, down to it. So that's it, folks. Charlie just come to say hello. I'm 3 courses up, I've 1 more to go. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. And if we look out, it's still absolutely banging flags. Look at that. People digging holes, it's all hunky dory. Say bye bye, Charlie, for now.
See you later.
Ta-ra, mate. Bye bye. Right. Yeah, sunny, happy days. There we go, folks. 1 part done. Yeah.
Get this one.
Done. Another bit to done. And then we're going over there. It's alright, I won't get him in. There you go, bye bye. Alright guys, here we go again. And upstairs, and it's done. Bit echoey, that's how it's usually finished. But we're done. We're done. And we're dusting. I'll dust it all off tomorrow. But now it's ready for Mr. Plum.
Lovely.
Basic but effective. See you tomorrow.